Do you want to lose weight without dieting or exercising? Welcome to a world where weight loss doesn't require you to break a sweat or give up your favorite foods. In this video, we will explore some clever yet simple tricks that can help you lose weight without the need for a grueling workout regime or a restrictive diet plan. We'll delve into the benefits of chewing slowly and how it can help control your food intake. We'll also discuss the magic of using smaller plates to trick your mind into eating less. You'll learn how drinking more water can curb your hunger pangs, and why getting enough sleep is essential for weight control. Additionally, we'll talk about the importance of keeping a food diary, and how including more protein in your meals can help keep you satiated. And for those cravings that just won't quit, we've got a simple solution: chewing sugarless gum. So, are you ready to embark on a weight loss journey that doesn't involve diet or exercise? Chew slowly, use smaller plates, drink more water, get enough sleep, keep a food diary, eat more protein, and chew sugarless gum. Let's get started. The first tip is to chew slowly. Chewing food thoroughly allows your mouth to kickstart the digestion process, breaking down the food into smaller, more manageable pieces for your stomach to handle. But that's not all. By chewing your food slowly, you're also giving your brain ample time to process the signals of fullness from your stomach. This delay in communication between your stomach and brain often leads to overeating, as your brain doesn't receive the full signal until it's too late. So by slowing down the chewing process, you're allowing your brain to catch up, helping you to eat less overall. Additionally, the act of chewing itself can be quite satisfying, allowing you to savor the flavors and textures of your food, making the meal more enjoyable. It's a simple yet effective method to control your food intake without feeling deprived. So don't rush while eating and enjoy every bite. Another clever little trick is to use smaller plates. It's all about perception. When you serve food on a smaller plate, the portions appear larger. It's a fascinating optical illusion that you can use to your advantage. The brain perceives the same amount of food as more when it's on a smaller plate. So, you're tricking your mind into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Conversely, when you use a large plate, the portion will seem smaller, and you might be tempted to add more food to fill up the space. This can lead to overeating without you even realizing it. So, the next time you're serving up a meal, reach for a smaller plate. It's a simple, yet effective strategy to control your portions and ultimately, your calorie intake. So trick your mind and use smaller plates to control your portions. Now, let's talk about water. The elixir of life, the universal solvent, the one thing we cannot do without. But did you know it's also your secret weapon in your weight loss journey? You see, drinking water can significantly help reduce hunger and cravings. Imagine you're about to reach for that mid-afternoon snack, but instead you grab a glass of water. It fills your stomach, tricking your body into feeling full and satisfied. Now let's take it a step further. Picture yourself sitting down for a meal. Before you even start eating, you drink a full glass of water. Your stomach has less room for food, and you eat less without even trying. It's a simple, yet powerful trick. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about giving your body what it needs while keeping those cravings at bay. So instead of snacking between meals, just drink water. Harness the power of H2O, and make it work for you. Getting enough sleep is also key to maintaining a healthy weight. It's a little known fact, but your sleep schedule can significantly influence your weight loss journey. Here's why. When you're short on sleep, your body produces more of a hormone called ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone. This hormone stimulates your appetite, leading you to consume more calories than you normally would. On the flip side, lack of sleep also suppresses the production of leptin, a hormone that signals to your brain that you're full. This imbalance can lead to overeating and ultimately weight gain. But there's more. Poor sleep can also disrupt your body's insulin sensitivity, a factor in regulating your metabolism. This disruption can cause your body to store more calories as fat, rather than using them for energy. So, make sure you get a good night's sleep to keep your metabolism in shape. Have you ever thought about keeping a food diary? It might seem like an extra chore, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine being able to see all your food choices laid out in front of you. The good, the bad, and the midnight snacks. It's like having a personal coach guiding you towards healthier habits. A food diary isn't just about guilt-tripping yourself for that extra slice of cake. It's about awareness and accountability. It's about understanding your eating habits, recognizing the triggers for overeating, and finding ways to overcome them. It's about control. When you write down what you're eating, you're less likely to overindulge. So, how do you do it? It's simple, really. Write down everything you eat and drink. Be honest and be specific. Include portion sizes and preparation methods. And don't forget to note your hunger levels and emotions at mealtimes. Over time, you'll start to see patterns and areas where you can improve. Keeping track of what you eat helps you be more aware of your food choices. And that's the first step towards a healthier you. Last but not least, include more protein in your diet. Protein is a bit of a magician when it comes to controlling appetite and warding off hunger. It's like the superhero of nutrients, swooping in to keep those hunger pangs at bay. But how does this magic work, you ask? Well, protein has this fantastic ability to make us feel satiated, more so than fats or carbohydrates. It's like a satisfying meal that keeps on giving, making you less likely to raid the fridge an hour later. And there's more. Protein can also help you eat fewer calories overall. It's like having your own personal portion controller, helping you to naturally eat less without feeling deprived. So, you might be wondering, what are some good sources of protein? Think along the lines of lean chicken, fish, eggs, or legumes. So, make sure to incorporate protein sources in your daily meals. Do you have uncontrolled cravings? Chew sugarless gum. Now, that may sound like an oversimplification, but hear me out. The act of chewing itself can sometimes be enough to stave off those pesky cravings. When you're chewing, your brain is tricked into thinking you're eating, which can help curb the desire to snack. But why sugarless gum, you ask? Well, traditional chewing gums are loaded with sugars and sweeteners that can add unnecessary calories to your daily intake. Sugarless gum, on the other hand, offers the same chewing satisfaction without the calorie baggage. Furthermore, chewing sugarless gum can keep your mouth busy when you're cooking or when you're tempted to snack while watching TV. It's a simple yet effective tool to keep your cravings in check. But remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even sugarless gum, isn't good for you. So, always have a pack of sugar-free gum on hand for those times when the cravings seem to take over. I hope you found these tips useful and fun. We've journeyed together through some unconventional yet effective ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. We began by rediscovering the art of chewing slowly, savoring each bite, and making our meals last longer, thereby reducing our food intake. We then explored the power of perception by using smaller plates to trick our minds into believing we're eating more than we actually are. We also learned how water can be a powerful ally in curbing hunger and promoting a feeling of fullness. We emphasized the importance of getting a good night's sleep, as lack of it can lead to overeating. We also touched on the benefits of maintaining a food diary, which helps us be more mindful of our eating habits and identify areas for improvement. We also discussed the role of protein in controlling appetite. We learned that it not only keeps us feeling full longer, but also helps us consume fewer calories overall. And finally, we discovered a fun trick to control those pesky cravings: chewing sugarless gum. It's been an enlightening journey, and I hope these tips prove to be beneficial in your pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. If you found this content useful, show some love by hitting the like button. Leave a comment below about which tip you found most interesting, or share your own tips. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They might find it helpful too. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Remember, health and fitness are not a goal, but a lifestyle, so keep taking care of your body and your mind. You are capable of incredible things. Embrace the journey, and remember to enjoy every step of the way. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.